What's up YouTube? So in this video I'm going to show you how to open up your Huawei Ascend P6. The reason I'm doing this is because I think there's a lack of videos and reviews about this phone. So I just want to help people who need this information. So first off, anything you do at your own risk. I'm just showing you how to open up this phone. I'm not telling you to open up the phone. So if you break anything, don't come to me or something. So first off, what you're gonna do is hold on. You're gonna take something really thin, like a knife. Actually, you shouldn't be using a knife. I'm using it, but you shouldn't be using it. You should using a phone opening kit, you know, to open up iPhones or those thin plastic things. So you should be using those. But as you can see, this phone has a bottom piece here and here. This is just one piece, this bottom piece. So what you're going to do, turn around, and on the back of your phone you are gonna put not a knife, but these tools in here, and actually try to push it out a little bit. As you can see, it came off. Now to the other side. Oh, and don't try to dig into this thing, because you will damage your phone. Actually, I'm damaging it too, but I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So put a knife in here, try to unclick this thing like this, and what you're gonna do then is just try to pull it off with your nails like this. Don't worry about those clicking sounds, because it's a clicking mechanism. So, and it came off. The first time I took this off, it was glued here, and yes, that's where it was glued. So the first time can be a little more hard to open up. So, oh, I forgot to tell you that you have to turn off your phone, but I don't care. My warranty is void, so... Oh, and you also shouldn't be doing this if you still have warranty. So just to open the back, just slide it off and then take it off. And this is the inside of your Huawei. It's the battery, 2000 milliamperes, camera, and also, you know, some users of this phone may have noticed that the part under the buttons here, it gets really hot when you're playing games or something. The reason why I first opened up this phone is because I thought it was burned or something wasn't working, but after days of searching on the internet, I found out it's the usual thing of Huawei. I heard that they made the back of, I don't know, some heat transporting material, so the heat gets transport it out, and I think that is the reason why they give a case when you buy the phone. It's a plastic case. It comes with the phone. So I think that's the reason why they give this case, because then your fingers won't feel this heat. Because if I'm playing, I don't know, Clash or something, and I put my finger here, it's almost hurting my finger. So I think that's why they give this case. So this is how you open it up. Look, I already damaged it here. So you should not do that. Well, oh, and to close it, put it back together, take your back. I don't know, most of you guys just need to put it on like this and just wipe it down just like you took it off, but I think I broke something, so I need to just put on the top part first and then wrinkle it into its place. So just like this, and this side. So, and a final push down like this, and it's on. I think, yep, it's good. And then you're gonna take your bottom piece and just click it on here. So as you can see, I pretty much damaged my phone by opening it up 1,000 times. Oh, yeah. So do this at your own risk. Seriously, I'm not responsible for any damage or anything. So that's it. I hope it was useful.